Hey guys, it's Jack with Kapwing, and today I'm going to show you guys how to use the animal filters on TikTok. And I'm not talking about the animal filters where you put little cat ears or dog ears or bunny ears on a person. No, there is a new category of TikTok filters where you can actually place filters on your pet. TikTok seems to have added some AI which figures out when your pet is on screen and can add filters and effects to them. So go get your cat or dog and get on TikTok and follow along with me. So I don't have a pet, but my boss does, so thank you, Robert, for this footage. All you're gonna do is open up TikTok and then create a piece of content by clicking the plus button at the bottom, and then you're going to go to the effects button on the bottom left, and then swipe all the way to the right and get to the animal sub-tab, and then you will see certain effects that you can use on your animals. So not all of these actually can be used on animals. Only the ones with the paw print in the red circle in the corner can actually be used on animals. The rest are the ones where you just like put cat ears on your face or whatever. But the ones with the red paw print in the corner, those you can use on animals. Also note that not all of these can be used on every animal. Most of these are actually for dogs and cats, but there are even a couple where you can only use on cats, not dogs, and I don't think you can use them on any animals other than cats and dogs. So yeah, then you can just try one out. The first one on the left is the pet thought bubble, and then you can go up to your pet, it'll get a thought bubble, and then you can click the text button with the paw print to change the text of your pet, and you can also use the text button with the handprint to change your text if you're doing this for a human. Another filter is the tiger face, so you'll go up to your cat or dog and you can put on a tiger face. You can also put on like a mountain lion face. There is also cat hair, so this one only works for cats, and it puts a wig or hair on your cats. And wow, look how beautiful. It's just gorgeous. There also is the lion cat, which puts a lion's mane on your cat. Once again, this and the hair cat actually are only for cats, so no dogs allowed. And yeah, you just record like a normal TikTok, and then when you're done, you'll click the check button, the next button, and then you are good to post like any other TikTok. So yeah, this is a relatively new feature, so go ahead and be ahead of the trend. I also realized that a lot of pet content is pretty memey, so if you are trying to make a meme with your footage, you can use our free online video editor, Kapwing, and you can use our plugins feature to add certain memey plugins, which might take your video to the next level. Okay guys, so this is Kapwing. You're just going to click the first link in the description and it'll take you to kapwing.com, and then you're going to sign in. It's completely free. You can sign in with Google, and it just makes it so that when you export your video, it won't have a Kapwing watermark. So once you're in, you're going to create new content, and then you can take your TikTok that you made and then drag it in, and then your TikTok will upload, and it should be the same TikTok. Now I'm going to show you how to do a couple things that might help for a video like this. So like I said, cat videos usually have to do with like memes or things like that. So one thing that I often like to do for things like this is use the plugins feature on the left over here, and then you can use Jiffy text or Jiffy. The Jiffy text, you can type in anything you want, so I could say meow 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 and then it will give me a bunch of different options of text that I can use, and it'll drop it straight onto the video, which is really fun. I really like this feature. It's pretty new, and it helps with just making lots of memes and things like that. As you can see, it is longer than the video itself, so what you can do is click the split button down here or click the S button on your keyboard, and then it'll split it, and then you can just click it and delete. You can also use the Jiffy search button where you can search for just normal GIFs. So for instance, I can type in cat and it'll give me something like this. So maybe I will put this in there. So let's say that I wanted this meme to come at the end of the video, then it would play at the end like this. So you can sort of add a reaction picture or something. And then of course you can also add voiceover, which might be fun for a cat video like that. So, you know, if you're trying to do like a honey badger type video, like that viral honey badger video, you can do that by using the record button in the audio, and then we can add some voiceover. So you just click start recording and make sure that it's coming out of the microphone that you want it to, and then start recording. Hee hee hee, I am a little cat. Hee hee hee. And then it will place in your video. So this is just a few different things you can do with Kapwing. When you're done, you can export the video on the top right, and then as you can see, it will export and process, and then you can just download it when you're all ready. All right guys, that's about it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to join an online community of modern creators. Check out the Discord where you can keep up with the Kapwing staff and other Kapwingers, and also make sure to check out the TikTok where I am constantly doing tons of tomfoolery, and it's very fun, so check that out. Have a good one, and I'll see you guys next time.